During the highly anticipated Redmi Note 13 series launch conference, Xiaomi took the opportunity to unveil a wide array of products, with one standout being the Redmi Buds 5 AAPE Trendy limited edition. While the conference was primarily focused on the new smartphone lineup, the introduction of the Redmi Buds 5 AAPE created quite a buzz among tech enthusiasts and fashion-conscious consumers alike. In terms of aesthetics, Xiaomi didn't disappoint. The Redmi Buds 5 AAPE Trendy limited edition arrived in a distinctive green camouflage gift box that instantly caught the eye. This box was not just any ordinary packaging, it was marked with a trendy icon appearance and personalized skin, setting it apart from the standard offerings. Opening the box revealed an even more captivating sight. The headphone compartment itself showcased a striking green camouflage pattern, further accentuated by a transparent compartment cover that added a modern and sophisticated touch. The actual headphone unit sported a sleek pure green color, and on closer inspection, one could spot the Redmi and AAPE logos tastefully printed on them, signifying the collaboration's attention to detail. However, what truly set the Redmi Buds 5 AAPE Trendy limited edition apart was not just its captivating appearance, but its remarkable technical capabilities. These headphones boasted impressive noise reduction capabilities, thanks to their support for dual-channel AI noise reduction technology. This advanced technology achieved an astonishing 46 decibels noise reduction depth, surpassing the performance of the previous generation by 2.6 times. This meant that the Redmi Buds 5 AAPE could effectively reduce background noise by up to 99.3%, providing users with an immersive and uninterrupted listening experience. To cater to different environments and user preferences, these headphones also offered 3 adjustable noise reduction modes. Furthermore, the Redmi Buds 5 AAPE headphones were engineered with dual microphone anti-wind noise features, coupled with a proprietary AI anti-wind noise algorithm. This combination made them exceptionally adept at countering external wind energy, even withstand winds up to level 4. The headphones also featured a 12.4mm polymer titanium-coated diaphragm, ensuring that audio quality remained top-notch, delivering clear and vibrant sound. For those constantly on the move, the Redmi Buds 5 AAPE Trendy limited edition provided an impressive level of convenience. Just 5 minutes of charging would grant you a remarkable 2 hours of music playback, making them ideal for quick top-ups during a busy day. Moreover, when paired with the earphone compartment, these headphones offered an extended battery life of up to an astonishing 40 hours, ensuring that you could enjoy your music for an extended period without worrying about running out of power. In addition to the highly anticipated Buds 5, Xiaomi also unveiled another exciting product during the launch event, the Redmi Buds 5 AAPE Trendy limited edition. These limited edition headphones were set to become available for purchase starting at 10 AM on September 26, and they promise to be a unique fusion of cutting-edge technology and captivating appearance. Priced at just 299 yuan, which translates to approximately $41, the Redmi Buds 5 AAPE Trendy limited edition offered incredible value for the features they packed. Xiaomi has always been known for its ability to provide high-quality products at accessible prices, and these headphones were no exception. In conclusion, Xiaomi's Redmi Buds 5 AAPE Trendy limited edition headphones combine style and substance to create a compelling product. With their eye-catching appearance, cutting-edge noise reduction technology, and convenient battery life, they were poised to become a favorite among tech-savvy individuals who also valued fashion and functionality in their gadgets. What do you think about the new earbuds? I will be interested to know your opinion in the comments. Have a good day everyone and God bless you.